Hello guys, welcome to this session, and today we are going to be looking at how to use AI to enhance your productivity as a teacher. We'll learn in this course how a particular AI facility, you can access it, how you can set up your profile, and how it can help you manage your teaching effectiveness. Please, let's go check it out. Before we continue, if this is the first time you have encountered my channel on YouTube, on TikTok, please do want to hit the subscribe button or the follow button. Also share this video with your friends and leave me comments. Thank you very much. Let us jump right in. So this is the website of the app, www.teachy.app. And the first thing we're going to do is to just go ahead and set up our profile. So to do that, we click on login. I may have set up my profile before now. Let's check it out to see. Click on this button. Application is successful. Okay, so we'll move ahead into setting up my account. Okay, using this account of mine, and hit continue. So we are here. It's asking what type of account are you going to use this for. In this case, we're teachers, so we're going to make a teacher account. Confirm your name and country. You have to already state that I'm Nigeria. So type Nigeria. Right. Click that. Click on next. What type of subject will be teaching? Let's say I'm going to be teaching physics. So click on next. What class of students are you going to be dealing with? Let's say I'm dealing with SS3 students, that's 12th grade. And so I hit OK. Are you associated with the school? I would say yes. What school do I teach at? Let's say I teach at FUT. Okay, FUT. I just take that, then I hit the next, and you require my number. I'm going to enter my number, and then continue from here, and I will check all these boxes. So let us move over to the next stage. So after you have entered your password, your phone number, then you click on next, checking all those two boxes that I showed you earlier. It will bring you to this space. Now you have a bunch of options here. Prepare lesson 10 times faster, create or upgrade assignments, activities to liven up the class, so on and so forth. So but let's take up prepare lesson 10 times faster. Now we come in here. He said choose an AI tool. Let's go with the lesson plan. Okay, we're here, topic of the lesson. We'll enter the topic. Let's say we're looking at electricity, right? Electricity, and the grade is grade 12. Choose the methodology. Electricity is more of a practical thing, so I'm going to pick practical lesson. How long is the lesson? 60 minutes. Subject name, of course, physics, as we stated earlier. All of that stuff, So let's put some more context to this. Resistors and capacitors. Okay. So you may tell it what standard. Let's say we're taking the NGSS, and it means like let's say a school exam. If you have any description to make, you can tell it that the students are familiar with electricity, their rules. Okay. Alright, so let me even change the topic now. Let it be electricity generation. Okay, so I've entered all I need to enter, and I give it generates. As you can see, lesson plan develops. This one, the objective of the lesson plan is given, what you should be doing as a teacher because of this lesson as stated. The students should be able to understand at the end of this lesson the basic principle of electricity generation. I can describe the means of electricity generation, including fossil fuel, and so on and so forth. So when you write down, you will see all the stuff that you could use in your introduction, the development of the lesson, presenting the theory of electricity generation, the practice and practical of it, up all the way to giving room for the individuals to reflect on the lesson, and then where you draw your conclusion, assigning to them extra materials, and then recapping the importance of the lesson and so on and so forth. So at the end of the day, you end up clicking save here and give it a few minutes, so it's adding content to your lesson. So the lesson has now been successfully developed, and you see in your dashboard here that lesson 21, understanding electricity generation, is added to your dashboard. Guys, as a teacher, this is one tool that will be of a significant importance and benefit to you, and I invite you to hurry now, go set up your account on Teachy and begin to work more faster, more efficiently. If you like what you saw in this video, I'll invite you to please give me a subscribe, give me a follow, share this video with your friends, and leave me a comment on what topics you would like me to address in my next video. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you, and bye bye.